Come on, let's do it. Go, Dirtball, where you going? Hey, who's here? Get back here. What are you guys, stepping dwarfs or something?
Oh, we don't need so much volume. We don't need all that volume. Let's get rid of the speaker here. It's still too much volume. Oh, that's a lot better. Gonna play. Looks good now to me. The VHS seems to not be working all that well. That's probably working pretty well now. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can tell it's... Yeah, I fixed it. Let's see. My tape still in here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh come on. Is it broken already? Oh, that's a shame. Can I come back on for me? No? Must have broke something. See if we can fix it. It's just not, it just doesn't want to be fixed, man. Let's see if we can get the DVD player working. That's actually kind of cool. I've never had a reel of a VHS just come out like that before. That's kind of cool. I don't know why it's not working. Come on, man. Maybe if we work on the back a little bit. Yep, just as I suspected. Just as I suspected. I know exactly why it's not working. See, it says right there, faulty from factory. Right there. But I always, I know from the YouTuber Shango066 how you can fix a TV like this. Made in Thailand. Made in Thailand. Made in Thailand. Hey, it's... Hello? You alive? The CRT's on. No, it just went back off. Well, let's keep working on it. Made in Thailand. I can tell it's working. TV looks a lot better than it did. Let's try this. Made in Thailand. Made in Thailand. Made in Thailand. Still just doesn't seem to be working quite as nice as it should. Power button seems pretty nice. Yeah, that's a good tactile feel right there. Alright. These were from me trying to fix it before with a hammer. It's usually how I fix TVs. Alright, let's just keep trying the tried and true method. It'll eventually work. Made in Thailand. Made in Thailand. Ugh. Yep. You see? Oh yeah. See, that's signs that it's getting fixed. Huh? See what I mean? VCR looks great. Yep. Made in Thailand. Oh. Yeah. There we go. Let's see. Can I get the back off so I can maybe try some repairs inside? Guess the back doesn't want to come off. Made in Thailand. Oh, there we go. Yep. Can't work with it plugged in, can it? Alright. Yeah. Alright. Now we have access to the main CRT. And I know exactly how you fix one of these from here. Made in Thailand. Didn't quite seem to fix it that time. Made in Thailand. Thailand! Said Thailand! Oh, this tube is strong. Being real for a second, this tube is strong. Thailand! There we go. There we go. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. See how the screen's like all got that black splotch on it? That means the CRT is ready to rumble. So for anybody who is looking to fix a made in Thailand tube, well, as you can see, it's in much better condition now. This is basically a restoration video. For added bonus points, beautiful, we can do this. Made in Thailand. There we go. See, now if you want to work on the board, it's easier. So you just flip the TV upside down, and then you're just made in Thailand. And there you go, TV's fixed. Here we got the newly refurbished CRT. Looks pretty good to me. Yeah. So, that's my video on how to repair made in Thailand CRT televisions. See you guys in the next video.